Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Store apps without using the Microsoft Store. First, you need to open Command Prompt or PowerShell as an administrator. Click on the Start menu, type PowerShell or Command Prompt, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important so the app can install correctly. Now you need to find the app you want to install. For this example, I will use Spotify. In the command window, type WinGet search Spotify and press Enter. Windows will now search for all apps related to Spotify and show a list. In this list, look for the Microsoft Store version. You will see an app ID next to it. This ID is needed for installation. Once you have the app ID, you can install the app. Type WinGet install source Store ID followed by the app ID. For Spotify, the command would look like WinGet install source Store ID 9 N CBC SZ SJRSB. Then press Enter. Windows will now download and install the app automatically in the background. You do not need to open the Microsoft Store at any point. When the process is finished, the app will appear in your Start menu like a normally installed app. You can use the same steps for almost any Microsoft Store app. Thanks for watching.